What's going on, guys? It's Marlon Conaway, aka Marlon the Money Coach, your trusted Medicare health plan provider for Humana, United Healthcare, AARP, Care Plus, Aetna, Coventry, and more. Guys, man, we appreciate you rocking and rolling with us throughout this AEP and staying plugged in through all of our countless messages and educational videos to keep you informed. Man, real quick before we get into today's Medicare Minute, do not forget the annual election period, also known as AEP. Deadline is December 7th, which is coming up very, very quickly. So please, please, please do not wait until December 7th to call me right at the last minute. It's not like filing your tax with the IRS. You wait till the 15th, right? So let's get ahead of this, guys, and make sure we reach out and take care of business before the deadline, okay? And so we're going to get into today's talk as far as the things to consider when changing the plan. You know, a lot of times we see things on the commercials and TV and the mail we get, and people are calling us about free this, free that, get your money back from your Part B, premium, all those different things. And it all sounds good, but there's some things you got to consider when changing plans, okay? And so we're going to get right into it real quick and discuss those things. So let's understand a few things as far as our 2021 coverage, things to consider when selecting a plan or making plan changes. Number one, look at your health over the last year, all right? And have you experienced any health changes? Are you taking any new medications, any illnesses or injuries that may have occurred or that require more or different medical attention in 2021? So these are some factors that you should consider when determining if you need a different plan or if you need to change plans. Second thing I will look at is reviewing your plan material. So back in September, October, somewhere up in there, you should have got an annual notice of change, what they call an ANOC letter. You can also utilize your evidence of coverage or your summary of benefits. So you should have already received a lot of documents pertaining to your current insurance for 2021. And you can look at those documents to see what your cost share will be for the new year: co-pays, deductibles, co-insurance, what benefits are covered, what benefits are not covered. Okay, so look at those things as consideration. You want to also, too, look at your drug list, what they call the formulary. And so if you have any prescription drug coverage, take a look at the drug list to make sure you understand how your medications are covered. And to find this, you can either go online or you can look at your summary of benefits, evidence of coverage, or possibly call myself, your agent, and we can run through that for you as well. So you understand the costs associated with the medicines that you take. Also look at your doctor team, your care team. Make sure that your doctor is still in network with your plan. Also, anytime you're looking at switching plans, I don't care how great that plan sounds, you want to make sure that your doctors or that plan is in network with your doctor. So Medicare Advantage plans do have networks. HMOs, PPOs have network. Of course, PPOs will allow you to go out of network for a higher fee or a higher copay or higher cost share, but they do have a network, okay? And so you want to make sure that whatever plans that you take or accept or look at taking, you want to consider the network of doctors, okay? Also take advantage of some of the online resources. I know a lot of times we shy away from technology. I talk to a lot of clients that say, Marlon, I ain't into all that email stuff and computer. Man, this is the wave of the future. You got to get into it, okay? And so a lot of companies nowadays are moving to a paperless society. And so you have to kind of stay up abreast with the times. And if you got a smartphone, it's easy to log in. If you have a tablet, a lot of you guys have iPads and different gadgets or whatnot, or laptops, but take advantage of the online resource. So all your health plan providers have an online platform. And so you can go on there and log in to review and search your claims. You can make payments online. You can review your plan benefits online. You can even search and see what providers are in network in your plan online. All right. You can also download to your desktop, different print materials or PDF files for those that just like to print things off and so forth. Okay. You can also explore the health and wellness resources. A lot of these companies have a lot of great resources on health and wellness that you can use to help stay on top of your health. All right. So lastly, utilize your team, all right, your resources when it comes to the people that can explain how these benefits work. So you have a customer service number on your card, as well as you have myself as your agent to help walk you through those things. But keep in mind, look, December 7th is the deadline. If you're thinking about making a change, or you saw something on TV or in your mailbox that you thought could be a great plan or it sounds like a good plan, please feel free to reach out. And when you reach out, make sure you have your care team written down, who your primary is, who's your specialist. A lot of times I'm talking to clients, say, Mark, I go to that doctor over there around the corner off of 8th Street, and you know where it's at over. No, I don't know where it's at, right? I need a full name, all right? I have to look online in the physician finder and make sure, based on that person's name, that they're in alignment with your plan. And a lot of these doctors have some funny sounding names, right? Okay. And so I need the exact spelling of those doctors' names. So you can pull it off your medicine bottle, or you may have a card, but that'll help us, right, to make sure that those physicians are in network with any plan that you may have an interest in. So we appreciate you guys plugging in with today's Medicare Minute, and we'll talk to you soon. Here's my contact information on the screen. Screenshot that on your phone or write it down. All right, 904-338-8171, Marlon the Money Coach.